That's how he broke the axle. Doing that.
Yep.
No. Maybe.
Oh yeah, we will.
Oh man.
Oh shit. Oh. I lost. Oh. Popped out of gear.
Oh really?
Yeah.
No control.
I was like stopping. I'm like, why it's not stopping?
We're not going to take that tree down.
Huh?
So we're not. I was going to say we're not taking that tree down.
Yeah. No, it popped out of the gear. I'm like trying to stop the thing and turn it. Sorry. It didn't turn whatsoever.
Oh god. Oh yeah, maybe.
No.
Don't want to take it.
It's the fuel tank. Nope. This one?
What if it'll lay on top of us?
Yeah, I'm gonna hit us in the head.
Oh man. We'll probably hit it the other way though.
It probably will chop it down, but we hurt.
Yeah, don't do that.